Hello all and welcome to a brand new tutorial on GTmetrix.com. I'm your host Emmanuel from Sproutplus. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the features of GTmetrix.com. And if you are a beginner, this video will be immensely helpful for you. What is GTmetrix.com? Why do we use it? GTmetrix is a tool that analyzes the page speed and performance. It generates scores for our pages and offers page speed. It is a free tool that we have found to be used to get detailed reports about sites' performance. Let's visit GTmetrix.com now. This is how the website's user interface looks like. All you have to do is enter your website's URL and click on enter. It will take a while for analyzing the website. There you go. As you can see, GTmetrix has graded my site as A. If you want to know how to optimize the speed of the website, I have included a video in the description. Here, you can see the test server's location to be Vancouver, Canada. We are using free version here, so we cannot use a different test server location. You can purchase Pro version to change the location of servers. Also, you can change the type of browser and devices for the test. This one here shows the performance scores of our site, which is 97%, which is the overall performance score of the website. And here is the structure of the website. This will show how well the website is built for optimal performance. And as you can see, our website has a very good structure. Largest contentful page literally means the largest image or video or some large content to load. For a good user experience, largest contentful page should be less than 1.2 seconds. Ours is 794 milliseconds, which is good. Total blocking time here means the time taken for the scripts in your website to run. For a good user experience, total blocking time must be less than 150 milliseconds. Ours is 33 milliseconds, which is also good. Cumulative layout shift means when the user visits our page, the layout of the site will experience a layout shift. Normally, this should be less than 0.1. As you can see, our website has a cumulative layout shift of 0.01, which is good. Now, I will scroll down through, and here you can see a few suggestions given by GTmetrix to further improve my site. Here at the speed visualization, it shows the timeline of time taken by each elements to load in the site. And that's pretty much it. We'll take a look at the site. As you can see, it is a professional and nice looking site. The page loads quicker, thus reducing the bounce rate by a good load time. In case if you want to monitor your site's performance continuously, you can sign up here and monitor your sites. Once you could create an account and start analysis, here under various tabs, you can find a tab called Waterfall. Under this tab, you can look at the individual load times of each script, image, and other elements in your site. Click on the Compare tab here to compare another site's performance with yours. So I'm entering my other site's URL, and there you go. It is very simple to use and very efficient. In Pro version, you can add multiple sites and compare their performances. You can also monitor many sites in real time too. You can also monitor the pages weekly, monthly, or whenever you want to. You can also set up the alerts and give your preference like alert me when the performance goes down than A grade. You can set this up like receive alerts in your email too. In case if you want to document your reports, you can download a PDF report too. As you can see, we got a nice PDF report here. And that is all from me. I hope I have given a brief introduction to GTmetrix, and I hope this will be useful for beginners. If you have any queries, feel free to comment and we'll be happy to help. If you like our videos, give us a like, and if you want to watch some more of our content, subscribe to us. I'll sign off here and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.